Hey, guys, Alicia this side. And hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm giving my real, genuine review on this smoothie diet. First of all, if you here, so please like and subscribe the channel. Let's move ahead. Says about this diet is, delicious, easy to make smoothies for rapid weight loss, increased energy, incredible health. And here are an introductory video to give about its proven diet to you. Basically, the smoothie diet is a revolutionary new life transformation system that not only guarantees to help you lose weight and feel better than you have in years, it also promises to eliminate more body fat faster than anything you've tried before. And you know, I also downed 25 pounds weight because here's the things that makes the smoothie diet different. This is not just a big book of smoothie recipes. You're getting the same proven 3-week weight loss and health improvement program they share with their clients. The secret that makes the smoothie diet so effective is the custom 3-week weight loss schedule. All the smoothies are given in a very specific sequence and frequency to maximize your results. For example, the nutrient and ingredient ratios vary week to week to make sure the weight keeps coming off and stays off. They've used their knowledge as a health coach and what they've learned from all their clients to make sure this program delivers rapid results. Smoothies team have meticulously researched specific ingredients and nutrient properties to maximize the effectiveness of this program. All you have to do is replace certain meals with the smoothie recipes they provide and then watch as the pounds melt effortlessly off your body and your energy levels skyrocket. So most important, you think that, why is the smoothie diet so effective? Right? Weight loss is 80% diet and 20% exercise. This smoothie diet cuts out all the awful foods that are making you gain weight while boosting your metabolism, cutting your cravings, and reducing your caloric intake without ever leaving you hungry. Plus, the smoothie diet is insanely convenient. Convenience is the single biggest factor that leads to diet success or failure. If something is hard, you're unlikely to stick with it. If it's a breeze, then why wouldn't you follow through? Right. So, the best thing about the smoothie diet is that it helps you keep losing weight even after the 21 days are over. Many of Drew's clients choose to swap out one meal per day with a smoothie for a few more weeks or months. And since it's already a habit and you already love the smoothies, it's easy to keep going until you hit your goal weight. Whether you want to lose 10 pounds or 70 pounds, you'll be able to make it happen with the smoothie diet. If you want to learn more and claim your $10 off, you can learn all about it in this video description link. I already given the official website link in description where you find everything you need for your query solution and weight loss goals. And next thing is everything you get. Yes, in just a few minutes from now, you'll have access to all the tools you need to lose weight and get healthy as quickly as possible. I've left nothing up to chance, everything is laid out step by step so you can start today and lose weight by tomorrow. The Smoothie Diet 21-Day Program. In this diet, if you're looking for a complete life transformation over the next 3 weeks, then you're in the right place. Whether you need to lose the last 5 to 10 pounds, or you want to get rid of 40 pounds or more, this will work for you. This diet is extremely flexible, so even though this program is 21 days, you can continue using it for as long as you want to lose as much weight as you want, and I explain exactly how. Dramatic weight loss is only one of the numerous benefits you'll get from this diet. How would you like more energy, clearer skin, better sleep, sharper thinking, stabilized blood sugar, and more? You are only 21 days away. You're getting the full 21-day weight loss and health improvement program regularly used with his private coaching clients. Over 36 delicious fat-melting meal replacement smoothie recipes. Shopping lists for each week to make it super simple to get everything you need. Smoothie making tips prep guide to make sure there is zero trial and error and to ensure you spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your new confidence and energy levels. And guys, you surprised that mother of 2 loses over 70 pounds. Watch the video below to see how Amanda has lost over 70 pounds using the smoothie diet. Mom of 2 sheds 70 pounds with this one weird drink. Weight loss stories are everywhere nowadays, but this is one you have to see to believe. It's literally going viral. Amanda had tried everything to lose weight, but after having her second son, the weight wasn't coming off. She tried all the popular plans. until she discovered an enjoyable way to lose weight that fit right in with her busy lifestyle. It was so easy that anyone could do it. Amanda has used this method to lose over 70 pounds and keep all the weight off. This one video will change the entire way you look at weight loss. And guys, most important, in this offer you're covered for a full 60 days. If for any reason you decide that this program is not for you, simply drop them an email and let him know, and they'll give you a refund, every penny, without questions, without hassles. This is a completely risk-free offer. Guys, this is really amazing diet. If you really wants to know more details about this diet and wants to get discount on this offer, then please check out video description link and get your smoothie recipes. Thanks for watching till the end, guys. Bye. See you later.